I'm doing a bit more planning on the campervan conversion coming up at the end of January. Just thinking about the recirculating shower that I want to put in, and wondering if I can run a Truma 4E using Glycol and a couple of heat exchangers to provide the recirculating shower. So I'll just run through it. The shower tray collects the water from the shower head into a roughly 20-litre tank, into an isolating valve, then into a coarse filter, then a 5-micron and carbon filter, through into a UV filter, into the pump. I'm not sure whether I'll put the isolating valve there or there, but through the pump, and then the water splits, cold water going back into the cold side of the thermostatic valve, and the other split going onto and into the heat exchanger. On this side there will be an expansion vessel, because the pump, I'm presuming, won't allow any water to flow back into the pipe, into the 20-litre holding tank. So yeah, running through the heat exchanger, heating up, coming out, and going into the hot side of the thermostatic shower valve, into the shower and back round. The other heat exchanger is for the hot water for the sink and the basin in the shower. So again, a holding tank for fresh water through a pump. It splits cold water into the sink tap, cold water up into the heat exchanger with an expansion tank on this side, through the heat exchanger, hot water out into the hot feed of the sink and basin tap. Now my question is, can a Truma 4E be run with Glycol, feeding the heat, being heated up and feeding the two heat exchangers, with an expansion tank obviously for the expanded hot water, and then back into the Truma boiler? I'll probably give them a ring during next week to just to ask them what they think. But if anybody has got any observations about this setup, I'm all ears. Happy to hear of any relevant comments. Thanks for watching.